Hi everyone, welcome back to EduSkills OET, where we help you master the OET exam with targeted strategies and practice. In today's video, we're going to break down a reading subtest question that focuses on identifying specific details from the text. Let's dive right in. Here's the question. In the third paragraph, we learn that the patient called Ella joined the CGT program partly because A. Her physician was disappointed with her response to medication. B. She had expressed an interest in having treatment of this kind. C. She felt the timings of the sessions were convenient for her. D. Her treatment was not addressing her personal needs. Now let's look at the text. Ella was a 30-year-old DM1 patient who participated in a 2-year conjunctive group therapy program while receiving parallel medical treatment for DM1. Therapy was based on the principles of CGT, which involved 8 members, including the patient, and used non-guided topics of discussion as its basis. The rules and regulations of the sessions were based on discretion, confidence, and open expression. Each session lasted 2 hours, and the group met twice per month. Ella's participation in the group was based both on a referral from her endocrinologist and her personal request for a psychotherapeutic intervention. Let's break it down. The text tells us that Ella joined the CGT program due to 2 reasons: a referral from her endocrinologist and her personal request for a psychotherapeutic intervention. This suggests that Ella herself expressed interest in receiving this type of treatment. Now let's look at the options. Option A. There's no mention in the text that her physician was disappointed with her response to medication, so we can eliminate this option. Option B. This aligns with the text, as it clearly states Ella requested this kind of psychotherapeutic intervention, indicating her interest. Option C. The text does not mention anything about the timings of the sessions being convenient for Ella, so we can rule this one out. Option D. Although Ella was receiving parallel medical treatment, the text doesn't suggest that her medical treatment wasn't addressing her personal needs. So this option isn't correct either. The correct answer is B. She had expressed an interest in having treatment of this kind. Ella's personal request for psychotherapeutic intervention shows that her interest in this type of treatment was a key reason for joining the CGT program. And that's it for today's question. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more OET practice and tips. See you in the next video.